Hi folks, I'm Stu here from ATW. Strap yourself in because I'm doing this week's rundown. First up, it's the bulbar. Black, stop stuff. No, seriously folks, this is the most common bulbar that we sell on the touring packages. It's our 3-hoop version. You've got some mounts here to run some spotlights up to a 9-inch in size. You've got 2 aerial tabs up here. Plus it comes with a steel winch cradle. The wheel package on this truck is a 19.5-inch steel rim with a Goodride 285 all-terrain tyre. This wheel combination retains a full factory 7.5-ton GVM. Suspension with this truck has been paired with the ATW parabolic springs with the Oztech shocks. So the flares on this truck, being an ATW purchase truck, it comes with the ATW Deluxe flares. So these are reserved exclusively for clients that buy the truck through us. They're a limited production unit. With this truck as well, we've got the rear aircon unit. Rear aircon, so cool. Climbing into this rig, we've got 2 German-made Scheelman seats. Now these are an orthopedic chair, which means they're fully adjustable, kind of molded into the perfect shape. So great for those long hauls. Matched with that is the optional extra center console that we make here at ATW. Inside the console is a really handy dual USB port, so that's great to plug in your phones and your tablets for charging on the run. This truck features the ATW 3400 tray. It's a full aluminium constructed tray, and as you can see here, there's a few optional extras that the client's chosen to go with. We've got a 1200 canopy and an 800 canopy. Even comes with door handles. Inside each canopy, you've got a blank canvas to fit out with any inclusions you desire. We've got an adjustable shelf which runs on a unistrut system, so it's fully interchangeable and integratable. Another feature as part of this tray build is this particular tray has 2 water tanks. We've got an 85-litre water tank. It's a poly system, so it's a food grade tank. Tap is just a simple gravity outlet. Cue water. The second tank is also a food grade poly tank. It's 115 litres. It's housed in between the chassis and a nice aluminium casing. Simple gravity feed tap, same as the front. What are we in, a drought or something? What's going on with the water? Let's talk about the back end of this beauty. All ATW trays come featured with a flush mount light, so that's a working light. It runs on an independent circuit, so if you're trying to connect trailers in the dark, it's a great feature. Just hit a button, you've got plenty of light at the back here. LED tail lights. This one comes with a 4.5-ton tow bar. The client has opted just for a blank winch cradle, so we actually haven't fitted a winch in here at the moment. They may choose to come in after the fact and we'll pop one in down the track when they're ready to take on a trip. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this lap around the truck with me today. If you want any more details or have some questions about the builds, feel free to hit us up on the website. There's a contact form there, or sales@allterrainwarriors.com.au. If you like today's video, give us the big thumbs up. The bosses might let me do another one. Thanks for watching.